Hi there, this is Professor Linda Miles from the Hostos Library, and today I'm going to do a demonstration of how to find a specific article when you know things like the title and the journal where the article was initially published. I'm going to start with the citation. You'll see on the screen two different citations. The first one is in APA manual style, and the second is in MLA manual style. You may have heard your professors speak about citation style, and they've probably told you what style they would like you to use in your work for their class. We're looking at these two citations because before you look for an article, it's important to understand the parts of the citation. The first citation in APA style, you'll see that the author comes first, and then the date when the article was published. Following that, until the next period, is the title of the article that was published in the journal. After that is the title of the journal itself, Early Childhood Education Journal. Then you have the volume number, 48, the issue number, 5, and the page numbers, 537 to 548 in this case. In the MLA citation, the order is the same. It's just the format that's different. Again, you have the author first. In the quotation marks is the title of the article that's published in the journal, followed by the title of the journal. Oops, there we go. Followed by the volume number, the issue number, the date, and then those same page numbers. When you're going to look for an article, you're going to start with the title of the journal, not the title of the article. I'm going to go ahead and copy this from my document here, but you may have to type it in when you're actually searching. Now, we're going to use our eJournal Finder to locate this article. So the first step is to get to the library. I'm going to go ahead and click on Library from the Hostos webpage, and this should bring you to our library website. We're going to use the eJournal function in OneSearch, so we want to make sure the OneSearch tab is selected. And then we're just going to go ahead and link on this link right here that says Find Books, eBooks, Articles, Videos, and More. This will take us right to the OneSearch platform. Takes a minute to resolve. Now that we're in the OneSearch interface, I'm going to look up at the top here. Let me make this a little bit bigger. Here we have Journal Search. I'm going to click on Journal Search. I'm going to go ahead and paste in the title of the journal. You may have to type it if you don't have it somewhere where you can copy it. And I'm going to run my search looking for the Early Childhood Education Journal. And you'll see that we get 9 results. These are 9 journals that we have in our databases that have these 4 words, early and childhood and education and journal. But the actual one we're looking for is right here at the top, Early Childhood Education Journal Online. I'm going to click on the journal title, and this is going to tell me which databases that journal is in and which years are covered. On this next page, I have to scroll down to where I see View Online, try a link below. And you'll see listed here 4 different databases. These are the 4 databases that contain this journal. It looks like they all begin with the same date, available from 1997. Sometimes these dates will be different, so depending on the year that your article was written, that may be a concern to you. I'm going to go ahead and click on this first one, Academic Search Complete. Now, depending on the database, this next page will be laid out differently. But basically what I'm looking for is the list of issues. And over here on the right, you can see a list of dates. I know that. I'm going to just quickly go back to my citations. I know that this is a 2020 article, so I know I want to click on 2020 here. And then I have to choose the volume and the issue. So let me go back and see. That is volume 48, issue 5. So I'm going to go back to my interface here, volume 48, issue 5, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. That takes me to a list of all of the, you can see here 13, all of the 13 articles that are in that issue of that journal. And now I just want to take a quick look at my citation again to get the title of the article, Understanding Race and Racism Among Immigrant Children. So I go back over to my list of results, and there it is. It's the second one on the list. That's my article. I can click on the title, or I can click right on linked full text. If I click on linked full text, this brings me, I believe, right to the text of my article. Takes a second to get there. All right. It came up in my PDF viewer, so I'll make that larger. And here it is. There's the abstract, introduction, and you can continue reading the article from there. I hope this has been a very helpful video for you, and good luck with your searching.